learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Qishan district of Kaohsiung has lost much of its Hakka heritage, but the Baozhong Yiming Temple is still a place of worship for local Hakka residents. You can also visit Chen's old house, built in a traditional Chinese courtyard style. It features Koji pottery and a Hakka cut-and-paste style of decoration. Qishan's picturesque old street is a popular movie location, as well as a great place to pick up delicious banana snacks.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係練習小 Joseph Lin right here, and I think we should take people out to different places around Taiwan that has a lot of Hakka heritage and culture.
好的，没问题。今天带大家去那个高雄旗山嘅海族。
高雄就是高雄，
对
，OK， that's 高雄 County， 然后什么山？
旗山
哦，就旗山呐，怎么说？
旗山
，OK， 可是旗山的什么？
海族就是西周
哦，所以这是一个特定的另外一个地区，对了，
一个地方
啊，叫做海族。
对，海族
，that's 西周。好，这里有什么特色呢？
这是一个客家人聚集的地方。
OK，
它里面呢有一个很有名，就是包中义民庙也在这边。
哦，也有义民庙在这里。Okay, so this is a district or a particular part of Qishan in Kaohsiung County that has a lot of Hakka people gathered around. They live there, and they also have a very well-known temple, the Yiming Temple, which is like the Hakka temple, if you will. That's also set up here. 那请问这个地方呢，它会有什么样的特色，让更多人想要去呢？
最近有一部国片叫做《爱的面包魂》，它就是在那个地方来拍摄的。
哦，是哦。Actually, it's drawing a lot of tourists recently because not too long ago, a few months ago, early on this year, there is a Taiwan film known as The Soul of Bread. They actually filmed that movie here, so it's drawing a lot of visitors and tourists and fans of the film to go visit this district. 那这里有没有什么美食啊，或什么？
又要讲到吃的，对不对？
对，还是要知道一下。
其实南部最多就是香蕉，所以这边这个香蕉制品就很有名了，像什么香蕉冰啦、香蕉蛋糕啦，就很有名。
This place is also known for a lot of banana-related products like banana cake, banana shaved ice. 这 banana 香蕉怎么说呢？
香蕉
Okay, that's how you say banana in Hakka, and you can buy 香蕉的蛋糕。
鸡卵糕，
对，一定要记得香蕉鸡卵糕。All right, hope to see you down there, and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.